wig from a company that I really do like, and that's Klaiyi Hair. I've reviewed tons of units from them in the past, and I do have a really high success rate with them, so I have a feeling that I will with this unit. Please subscribe. I am trying to hit this 70K so badly, y'all. It's like I can taste it. I'm almost there. It ain't gonna hurt you. It don't cost you anything. Just go ahead and subscribe, please. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for getting me to this point. So, like I said, Klaiyi Hair is a company that probably one of the first companies I ever got human hair from. And I've liked them. Y'all know with human hair, I'm always looking for 3 things: beginner friendliness, cost, and I'm also looking at the quality. And they do have a really high success rate. All I did was take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig does come in a storage box with their branding on it. And inside that box, we get some HD wig caps. We get an edge band with their name on it. And we get an edge brush and comb with a removable head. So cool. And then I'm gonna read here, but if you look down in the description box, I'll be sure to put all of this information in more detail down there. This wig is a loose wave wig. It is 24 inches long. It's a 13x4 pre-everything wig, okay? Okay, and I see they included like a few pieces of lace in here. I'm not sure if you can choose what type of lace you would like or the difference between this lace and some other lace. So let's open this up so we can pull that lace out and see if there's anything else on this wig. Look at that lace. Let's look at this wig because I could tell that I'm really gonna like this just based solely off of the cap construction, okay? So y'all know I've always loved these wigs they've been dropping with the bangs because I can pull it half up, half down, all up, you know, in a little auntie bun, and I think that's what this is as well. The bangs look a little different, so we'll see. But I can already tell that this wig is going to be a winner. First of all, it comes with these curls pre-done, and look at how pretty and bouncy those are. Then you have the roller already there in some pre-cut and curled bangs. I also see some beautiful layering done on the sides. And then if I look at this cap construction, what did I say this was? It's a 13. You get that 13x4 parting space in the front, which is really nice. They've already put some of the pre-everything tabs there on the wig for you as well. And in the back, you get a comb, a glueless adjustable band, and the drawstring. And the drawstring is my favorite thing that they've been putting on these wigs because this makes the wig feel so secure on my head outside of like putting in combs. Like I love this drawstring because I can really make it fit, you know, my little bald head. So I think I'm gonna like this one, y'all. It's very pretty just on my hand. Oh, and also let's look at this lace because I saw this little baggie. It says, I see one of them says HD lace and the other says transparent lace. Okay. I mean, I can see the difference just on my hand. This one is definitely looks kind of like tinted, the transparent lace. This one looks more white, the HD lace. Let's put them up against my hand to see if we can tell a difference. Okay, on this side, that's the transparent and that's the HD. Yeah, I could definitely tell a difference. I hope it's picking up on camera, but I do like they included this because I'm one of those people, like I say, I tell you all the time, I can't comb hair. So when you start throwing buzzwords at me like HD lace, transparent lace, all these words, y'all, I get lost in the sauce. Frontal, closure, you know, I get lost. So I am glad that they have finally showed me what the difference is between the HD and the transparent lace. That's really neat. All right, what I'm gonna do is put this wig on my head, brush it out, give you a 360. Y'all know I'm gonna pull some up, some down, or up in a messy bun because this is my favorite type of unit. And I'll give you a 360 and I'll be on my final thoughts, you guys. I'll be right back. People be rolling, keep it on me. I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig by Klaiyi Hair, and y'all, I love it. Y'all know I don't know the appropriate name. I'll put it down in the comments. These bangs, bull bangs. I don't know what you would call them. Like horns, you know, that aren't straight across. I love these, especially in a tousled, like half up, not half up, half down, all up, like messy updo. These are perfect. The layers that Klaiyi did on this wig, perfect. The price point of this wig, perfect. The cap construction, perfect. The quality, perfect. In other words, this is a 10 out of 10. This is one that I definitely think you will love when you get home. This also reminds me why I like Klaiyi so much, y'all. Because of the beginner friendliness. I couldn't get these curls, these layers, any of that if my life depended on it. And the fact that I can get a wig like this from Klaiyi with everything already pre-done, pre-everything, a true pre-everything, is an A+ in my book. No cons. If you look at the description box, I'll put a direct link to this one, as well as some more details that I feel like you guys might want to know, because this is a winner. This is one you will definitely appreciate once you get home. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.